Yo, I was scrolling on the talk yesterday, and I saw someone saying how Megumi needed a buff, and how he was a chud compared to the new characters. And that is wrong! Today, I'm gonna show you an awesome 80%, I think, True Blood Red combo! Alright, so to start this combo, you're gonna want your dog out already. I know, it kinda sucks, but it's worth it, okay? So when you regularly use rabbits, right? It doesn't really matter, right? They're just stuck on the ground, right? And they can get up in the screen. But if you up tilt beforehand, it still doesn't do anything, right? They return for a little bit longer. But if you do a dog and then that, oh, what? That's crazy!